back to my channel, and I hope you're doing well. Today's video is a bit different for me. I'm going to do a bit of a cooking video. So I want to show you one of my favorite healthy meals that I've been making, and it's using this. So I've been using this for like over a year. It's called a MEZZALUNA knife, and I ordered this off of Amazon. So if you haven't seen it, stick around to find out what it does. It's the very same as Chopped, if you've ever been to the restaurant Chopped, and I make my own chopped salad. It's delicious at home. So yeah, stick around if you want to see what I make. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to say, like, using this device, tool, kitchen utensil is such an easy way to incorporate more like fruit and veggies into your diets. It's a fun way to eat salads. I find that salads taste so much nicer when they're chopped up like this. In this video I make like a crispy skin salmon salad, but you can also make like chicken salads, or you can do just vegan or vegetarian salads. You can add in some different sauces like your sweet chili sauce or your teriyaki sauces. Soya sauce is nice, or you can even add like salad cream or mayo or coleslaw. Whatever you like, add it, do things to your own taste. I just wanted to show you, if you haven't tried one of these knives before, I'm going to put it down before I kill myself, but if you haven't tried one of these knives, I just want to see how super quick and easy it is to use at home, just to add up a bit of variety into your weekly meals. So I'm going to stop talking, I'm going to jump onto the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy it, and let's go. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. So I've just washed them all. This is a cucumber. I have a red pepper, yellow pepper, and an orange pepper. And then this is the knife. It's called a MEZZALUNA knife, which is perfect for chopped salads. In here I have some tomatoes and some little gem lettuce. This is one of my favorite kinds of lettuce. So I'm just going to chop this up and show you how to use this amazing knife. So I'm just going to chop some of the cucumber off to the side. Then with the knife you hold both sides. So I like to chop it down the middle and then like this, and you just go back and forward in different chunks. So once it's in chunks, it takes it down into small tiny pieces, and you just do this motion with the knife. So I'll put you on a bit of a speed with some music, and you can watch me make this delicious salad. So I'm now making some crispy skin salmon to go with my chopped salad. I salt and peppered the salmon, and it's just in some light oil and cooking, so I'll show you it when it's ready. Delicious! So that's my salmon ready. It only took under 10 minutes to make the whole meal, and it's super healthy. And I'm also having a little glass of Pinot Grigio with it. So yeah, that's my crispy skin salmon chopped salad. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that. I'm now just gonna chill with my Pinot Grigio. My dinner was delicious. Let me know if you've ever tried that device before, that Mazzula knife, and let me know any of your favorite dishes that you've been making this week. And yeah, I kind of want to do some more cooking videos because I do like to try and I'm changing up my diet a bit at the minute, you know, with lockdown and all going on and how we've not been activity wise is not being the same as usual. I want to try and limit what I'm eating in sense of making sure I'm eating a bit more healthier, a bit more of a cleaner diet and journey that I'm on at the minute, minus the wine. I like to save my calories for my wine. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave all the comments below. I love reading them. I love interacting with you guys, and we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is unbelievable. I'm so excited. So yeah, have a great week and I'll speak to you all soon.